So let me give you an idea of the size of this bike. I'm 6'5", inseam 34. I have the standard seat post on the maximum height. You could put a longer seat post on this bike. I might actually do that for my ride. I don't have the fenders on there right now, so it's really easy to get on this bike. Doesn't feel too heavy. Actually feels pretty light. Front suspension is relatively soft, pretty good travel on that. Probably wouldn't be doing any jumps on this electric mountain bike. And here's what my pedal stroke looks like. So technically I could benefit from a longer seat post. That would put me in a more aggressive riding position. I'm probably just gonna roll with this one, honestly, even though we can see this bike is a little bit too short for me. I can reach the ground just fine. We can also drop the seat all the way on down, in which case the bars are in a much more relaxed riding position. Here's what I'm looking like with the seat on minimum height. The Shark Mako. Can we ride this thing underwater in the ocean? It actually feels pretty light. It's really not too bad. Don't know what the official weight is, but not bad. It's really not too bad. If I had to guess, I'd say 65 to 70 with the battery in it. Let's roll.